All right, Sunday fun day. Let's get this weekly analysis here first for Forex. So let's get down to this real quick here. I know a lot of you guys are anticipating what to expect for this upcoming week. Those that are on the live stream yesterday, I appreciate you guys for hopping on. Some of those that missed it, go ahead and rewatch it again. I think I gave a lot of insight already on what to expect for this upcoming week. And you guys can see that what we're looking for, basically what I'm looking for is to basically keep selling the US dollar. And that's what I'm basing on right here for what I'm seeing. The bearish movement that happened on Friday, it did pull all the way up to almost, now is it 96.7? Came all the way up, I'm talking about this wick here at 96.68. Bared all the way down to 95.75, but then came back as a retracement to close at 95.81. This is on TradingView here on the weekly chart. You can check it out for yourself. It's free. And my next target would be to see if it'll come test this week, this wick down here at 95.03. And if it does break 95, I'm going to keep on the bearish momentum and keep selling it. If you kept selling it at the very top at 97.4 here where I listed, and you kept selling it, you're still in the green and you're still in the blue. So that is the trend setup that I'm seeing right now, is to keep selling it. And if the monthly candle closes out to be a bearish candle, I'm going to set it down. And for my next target would be to break 94. So we move down here to break 94. Breaks 94. Obviously, there's a little support here, a little support here. And after that, there is no other support until we come test 89. Yeah, 89, pretty much 90 and 89. So very interesting to see where the US dollar is shifted to go down for the year. It could probably end up going down for the whole year, and so something to pay attention to is that what happened back in 2017 up until 2018, and now we're in 2019. So that's basically what we're looking at right now. And don't forget that this week you have a lot of high impact news. You should definitely pay attention to the UK Parliament vote for the Brexit bill Plan B. You already know what's going to go on with the pound. If the pound is not, if they're shooting up the pound that high, it can only go up so high and eventually it's going to come back down. So something to be mindful about that. Wednesday, don't get too caught up on what's happening for ADP and GDP here. You're going to have to really focus on what the Fed interest rate decision is and their Fed monetary policy statement on Wednesday afternoon, 1300 or 1 p.m. Central Time. Those are on Central Time. And then Friday, you have non-farm payroll. Last month was pretty strong. They held 312,000 jobs of an increase versus 177,000 from the previous month back in November. So it was a buy for December. No, it was a buy for this month for January. And so probably looking, to me, my prediction would be to sell US dollar for non-farm payroll. That's just my prediction. So you don't have to take my word for it. Like I said, have an awesome week, guys. And if you, just don't get too excited what's going on right now or what's happening tomorrow. Just be ready for Wednesday and Friday. Those are probably going to be your two most major economic events with the red high impact news and whatever is going to happen during New York sessions. You never know. You got to be prepared for New York sessions. And to be honest, my New York session is the most volatile session there is. And you got London sessions overlapping with New York at that the first 3 hours. So always be mindful of that, always. Don't mind me wearing my suit. I just came from church, so pretty sure somebody's wondering why I'm wearing a suit. So, this is nothing crazy here. Other than that, like I said, I'm excited I'm excited for this week. 3 days, moving into my new place with the wife and kids, and that's it, guys. That's all I got for you guys. Have a great week. Don't get too, like I said, don't get caught up and don't try to make your money back. Don't be revenge trading. Don't be, setting yourself for failure. You gotta be ready at all times. You gotta plan it out and do it right and make the adjustments along the way during the week trading Forex. And you have to be willing to adapt to the markets at all the time. If you're not willing to adapt to the markets and you're just on one little strategy, you have to figure out to maneuver around it. And it's just like being on a racetrack or driving from winter to ice roads. I mean, you gotta know, like I said, you gotta have that discipline behind the mindset what you're doing. And that's in anything, to be honest. That's in anything in life. So it doesn't have to be Forex. So I said a lot. I said a lot of stuff yesterday on the live stream. Those that were participating. Like I said, I do plan on live streaming once a week. So, and definitely want to get everybody else's input and hear from all the subscribers, to be honest. And so, be ready. Like I said, you can make a lot of money for this upcoming tax season. I'll be honest about that. So, that's it. That's all I got for you guys.